of the birdies on the sycamore tree. They're lucky to be so happy and free. I know that they're chirruping out a little ditty to me. I hear them saying early every morn, get up, get up, get up. The chirruping of the birdies on the sycamore tree. It's lovely to see them having a spree. A cheeky one this morning popped up on the sill and said, get out of bed, hopping about, skipping about, flopping about, and nipping about the whole day through. And the funny little things they do, oh, I know they would amuse you too. Flying a bit, doing a jig, looking for grit, pecking a twig, their necks all screwed. Then I seem to hear them say, get out of bed, shift your lazy head. Don't you know that Dicky wants his little piece of bread? Of the birdies in the sycamore tree, they're lucky to be so happy and free. I know that they're chirruping out a little ditty to me. I hear them saying early every morn, get up, get up, get up. The chirruping of the birdies on the sycamore tree. It's lovely to see them having a spree. So out I went and threw a piece of bread upon the lawn.